Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how my automation works. It helps you create better YouTube titles and description using DeepSeek AI and Google Sheets. Let's start. Here is the full workflow in n8n. To start the process, we click execute workflow here or here. This runs the whole automation. Before you click execute workflow, you need to create a Google Sheet file on your Google Drive. I created before to show you. This is my file on Google Drive. I have columns like URL, keyword, status, old title, old description, new description. If you want to execute workflow, you need to add URL to YouTube video, keyword, and set status on pending. Because if the status is not pending, for example done, the row will be skipped. In this row, status is done because I executed workflow before to show you result. But the next row have only YouTube video URL and keyword, and status is pending because we don't generate new title and description. If you created your file with URLs and keywords, you can go back to your n8n. The first step is the get rows in sheet. We open this. You need to connect your account. Click this create new credential. You need to log into your Google Drive. And next, in operation, we set get rows from list. Search our document. Set sheet with data. In the filters section, we select column called status from the list and add pending. If the value is something else like done, it will skip that row. This helps us avoid working on the same video more than once. And the last thing is add option, which is return only first magic row, and enable it. And that's it. And we can execute this step. And we have a row with pending status. We can go back to our automation. The next step is an HTTP request. You need to add your URL from Google Sheet, like that, and execute this. This is our output. The next step is code. This code extracts the title and description of the YouTube video from HTTP request. In this request, we need to change this. And we can execute the step. And now we have title and description. The next step is merge. In this node, we merge all data which we generate before. We can execute the step. We have title, description, and other things like URL, keyword, status from Google Sheet. And go back. And the next step is generating new title and new description by AI. I use DeepSeek chat model. You can open it. If you use DeepSeek API, you can create new credential, add your API, save, and you can use DeepSeek. If you use, for example, ChatGPT API, you can add node OpenAI chat model, and the same you need to connect at your API from ChatGPT. Set your model, and that's it, and you can connect Okay, but I use the DeepSeek. DeepSeek show you how it works. Okay, if you add your API key to DeepSeek chat model or OpenAI, we can go to the next node called AI title generator. Open source for prompt we set define below. Here we add our prompt. We send our old title from YouTube video and our keyword from Google Sheet. Can execute step. And now we have our new title. Can go back, can go to step generator. This is the same way. We set define below, add our prompt, set original description here, and our keyword from Google Sheet here, and execute step. Okay, our new description can go back and go to the next step. In this step, we clean and prepare the new data using this code. We can execute step. And now we have our new title. Back, execute this node. Now we can execute merge node. In this node, we merge all data which we generate before. Execute step. Okay, can go back. This step we aggregate all data. Step can go to update row in our sheet. And now in the final step we update the Google Sheet. We use the same document and sheet. In operation we set update row. Choose our document and sheet. And next we choose the mapping column mode. Set map each column manually. And column to match on, we set URL. Here, change to URL from here. Status set to done. Old title here. New old description. New description. And we can execute step. Okay, my mistake. I need to add the URL here. Execute step. And now we have updated our file. We can check our file. Now we have old title, new titles, old description and new description, and status done. And that's it. Now your YouTube video titles and description are optimized using AI, fast and easy. If you want to try it yourself, you can download the full automation. The link is the video description. If you don't know how something works or something is not clear, just leave a comment or write to my email. You will find it in the description too. You can also add extra feature to the workflow, like keyword analysis to find the best keywords to use in your titles and description. If you want me to build an automation like this for your channel or your business, feel free to contact me. I'm very happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.